Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.7, Problem 2. This is Section 3.7, Problem 2. It says consider the numbers 19, 11, 43, 96, 34, 19, and 51. Find the mean, find the median, and find the mode. So the mean is essentially the average. So if you have a list of numbers like this, what we need to do is add them together. And let me write them out, plus sign in between each one. And divide by how many numbers in the list. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers. So get my total, divide it by 7. Now, if this were a class where we could use a calculator, just add them up. When you get the answer, leave it on the screen. Press divide by 7 equals, and you'll have the answer. Now, most teachers for this class don't want you to use a calculator. So what you would do is add the numbers up by hand. 19, 11, 43, 96, 34, another 19, and then 51. Add them, and we'll see what that adds up to. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 and 6 is 19. 19 and 4 is 23. 23 plus 9 is 32. 32 plus 1 more is 33. So for the first column, I put a 3. And then carry the other 3 for the 30 up to the top of the next column. And then add those. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 3 is 21. 21 plus 1 more is 22. 22 plus 5 more is 27. So I have a total of 273. So going back to the way I'd written it before, you'll have 273 divided by 7. Now, again, with a calculator, the way you would do that is 273 divided by 7 equals, and you'll have the answer right away. Now, for a class like this where most teachers will say you can't use a calculator, what you're going to do, 273 goes inside the division symbol. The 7 goes outside. Do the division, see what you get. 7 divides into 2. 2 is not big enough. It won't go. So 7 divided into 27 will go, let's see, 4 is 28, so that's too big. So 3. 3 times 7 is 21. 27 minus 21 is 6. Bring down the next digit, which is a 3. And actually, it'll go even now. 7 times something is 63. It's times 9 exactly. 9 times 7, 63. Subtract 63 minus 63, it's 0. So the average, or the mean, is 39. Now, next, the median. The median is the middle of the list, but not until after you put the list in order. Right now, the middle is 96, but the list isn't in order, so that 96 is certainly not the median. So what you have to do, put the list in order, look through the list, find the smallest number. It's 11. The next smallest number is 19. I have 19 again. The next one is 34. Then I have 43, 51, and 96. So that's my list of all the numbers. I want to find the middle value. So for the median, there's 2 cases. If you have an odd amount of numbers, the median is the one right in the middle. If you have an even amount, it's the in-between spot of the middle 2 numbers. Now, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers. 7 is odd. And the middle number is a 34. There are 3 numbers that are less than that 34, 3 numbers that are larger than the 34. So the median, the middle number in the list, once it's in order, is 34. And finally, the mode. The mode is the most commonly used number in the list. As I look through the list, the number 19 appears twice. Nothing else appears that many times. So the mode is 19.